ain't no amateur now.
I hope he don't pull back up there on top. He can't get high enough now to get flat, but
He's gonna float.
I hear him. Make a little snap roll. Lock it up.
Damn, man. He's tired, huh?
He's got the snap down pretty good.
Yeah,
that was good.
Look right there.
That was good, lad.
Yeah, it was. There you go.
Oh, shit.
Phil's gonna do now.
All right.
Where'd he go?
He's going down. Busted down. Ah.
What the fuck's lad doing?
Damn, lad. Shit. Oh, watch it. He's gonna roll it,
All right, nice job.
Oh, he's doing that pretty low, man.